Hi folks, I was just about to put this little hammer away. I was thinking about, where would I keep it? Would I keep it in my metalworking toolbox, or would I keep it in my woodworking toolbox? So I was going to just throw it in the woodworking toolbox for now, and look what I found. Another three quarter ball peen hammer. The handle is in much better condition, but like the one I've just fixed up, the head is loose, so I'll need to maybe rectify that. The handle isn't particularly well fitting very well. There's a big void there. I don't know what would some sort of epoxy help that, possibly, I don't know. So I've got another couple of pin hammers here. These could possibly do with a little bit of extra work. That's a number 2, and I think this would be a number 1. It's not actually marked, but they could do with a paint and maybe some of the rust treatment that this one got. I've also got this little one here, and I find this one an unusual hammer. I don't, the claw on it is very abrupt. Maybe it's for a specific type of nail or tack. This little sort of hexagonal head is unusual, as is these riveted sides. That's how the hammer is head is attached to the shaft. It doesn't actually go through. It's riveted there. So I haven't encountered these before. There seems to be a bit of a gap there, so like it's not fitting correctly. So I don't know what the purpose of this little one was, but it's a handy little, handy for tacks maybe or something. So yeah, yet more hammers, but I don't think I'm going to bother restoring them anymore right now. I'll just, these were cleaned and given a couple of coats of linseed oil. You can see from the condition of the handle, it's in good condition. Good enough for me for now. I'll put this in my metalwork one, and I'll keep this one for my woodworking. I really need to get this toolbox organised better than it is. I always intended on having everything in its place, but it's not worked out that way, has it? Oh, excuse me. So that can just go in there for now, and this one can join it. Okay. Right. That's all for now, folks. Until next time. Bye for now.